fog just come from? Wow.
Join us on a beautiful ride through northern Indiana on Interstate 65 as we pass Fair Oaks Farms heading for some love. Welcome to the joy of trucking.
blocker is
Somebody-
coming along. Let's see here.
Big
Oh,
straight
nice
pipes.
nose. Oh, nice. Hello.
6 foot tall gear shift.
Yeah.
There doesn't appear to be a def tank on that truck.
What? Rumbling. Looks nice though. Huh? Oh, I see the beacon of love up ahead. It's a sign.
That's not the loves.
Oh?
Love's on the right side.
Oh. Okay. That's because I just see love everywhere, honey. You think this truck came from the Fair Oaks farm? Huh? Maybe carrying some cheese? Oh. Yeah, this is more the Indiana roads I know. Oh yes, okay,
Look at his
okay.
turn signal.
There it
You can barely
is.
see it.
Oh, you're right.
It's signaling.
It's got so many lights.
The
That
red
one is
one
kind
on
of.
the back. All those fancy lights in the turn signal.
There's the love beacon. Okay. Oh, they got the RV stop here too.
Right. Loves RV stuff. You can camp at the truck stop. You're allowed to have campfires there.
Turn right on Indiana 10.
Campfires? I don't know, hon.
Is there a pool for the kids? Next to the fuel lane?
Good morning, everybody. There's a Crete.
What's this big sign saying? Cars on entrance. Cars going here. Hold on, Swifty Swift. Wait. We gotta make this corner.
Yep, yes. Thank you, sir. All right, well, we gotta go take a little break and fill up on some love. Coffee.
Turn right, then take the second left.
So if you enjoyed riding with us this morning through this beautiful Indiana countryside, we hope you liked the video. If you did, what should they do, honey? Yeah, give us a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below. Have you been to Fair Oaks? Do you eat some cheese from there? Ice cream? Interested to know more about that. And hey, if you like riding with us, if you enjoy Kevin's stories, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you know when we upload videos. And with that, we wish you a great day. We'll see you in the next video. With love from Kevin and Tanya.
Turn
Bye.
left on Indiana 10, then exit right.
Off the clock, off the clock. All right, let's go.